Hello everyone, my name is Meena Chand Madhuri Radhika and I'm excited to share my project from the Open Mainframe Project Summer Mentorship 2025 and my project name is LMS Integration Project. This was really special opportunity for me because I got to work on a real world challenge with the two amazing guidance, Dr. Cameron Say and the Jeff Brown. So over the few minutes, I will explain what the project is about, the problem it solves, the goals, the progress, and also how this mentorship has helped me grow as a professionalism. So let's talk about the introductions. The Open Mentoring Project runs mentorship programs every year. We know that in order to bring the new talent into enterprise technology. In summer 2025, I got the chance to be part of this mentorship program. And the theme of my project is the addressing real world technology gaps, the COBOL crisis. For those who don't know COBOL, so it is an old programming language still used in banking, insurance, government systems. The crisis isn't only about the code, it's about having enough skilled people who can manage and modernize such systems. So, throughout my project, I learned that preparing future talent isn't just about coding skills, but also about problem solving, professionalism, and the teamwork. That is what made this mentorship very valuable. So the problem statement is in education today, teachers, instructors use different LMS platforms like Moodle, Canvas, Sakai, and Chamilo. The problem is these systems don't talk with each other. For example, a teacher may have one course in Moodle, another in Canvas or the Sakai. To manage them, they have to log in separately, learn different interface, repeat the same task. This is insufficient, inefficient, time consuming, and of course confusing. The core problem we tried is to solve this lack of integrations. What teachers really need is one centralized platform that connect to the multiple LMS so they can manage the course, content, student from the single place securely and easily, right? So now let's talk about the project goals. To address problems, I set some clear goals for the project. The first is the building a tool that work with the different LMS project, like creating a course, right? These are the platforms where the instructor don't have to jump between the systems. And second is to allow teachers to perform the main action they need every day, like creating a course, updating course details, managing materials. The third goal is to keep modular so new elements can be added in the future, like Blackboard or others. It can be done easily without redesigning everything. The fourth goal was to make sure the tool is secure and the user friendly. For example, credential has to be encrypted and login has to be token based to avoid the leaks. Finally, I wanted to write the clear documentation so that even the future developer can understand the systems, extend it further. This goal has to make sure that not just useful today but also for the sustainable tomorrow. And the progress that has been done is like during my mentorship, I was able to make significant progress, starting with the Moodle integrations. Moodle was chosen the first LMS because it's open source and widely used. I built a secure login systems using the JWT tokens, which kept the session safe. Then I developed React-based dashboard that allows instructor to view, manage their course in a very simple interface. On the backend, I use the Python pyramid to build the module connectors. These designs means like the LMS like Canva, Sakai, Chamilo can be added later. Just writing new connectors instead of rebuilding the entire backend. Finally, I created detailed documentation to explain the setup, the architecture, code flow. This documentation ensures the future contributors or even institutions who want to deploy the tools can be run smoothly. So by the end of this mentorship, we had a working system with a module and a strong foundation to extend it to the other LMS. Now, uh, now regarding the mentorship reflections and thanks, this mentorship has been turning point for me. It wasn't only about the building a technical project; it was about learning how to approach challenge like professionals. I learned how to balance the technical skills like securing APIs, soft skills, communicating clearly, documenting work, collaborating with the mentors. I also gained confidence in problem solving, research ability, I would say. For example, debugging issue with the API connections, handling course restrictions, and managing servers. It's small issues I solved gave me more confidence to handle the bigger problem. Most importantly, I had a great support from my mentors. Dr. Cameron Say gave me directions and encouragement, but especially Jeff Brown guided me closely with both technicals and professional advice. Jeff reminded me often that success isn't about writing good code, it's about attitude, teamwork, communication, and the micromanagement. So I want to give a heartfelt thank you to both the Dr. C and the Jeff Brown for the guidance and the support through this journey. And thank you so much, Open Mainframe Project, for giving me this opportunity. And now, if you see in my screen, you can see the interface. First one is the Moodle login page. Second is the dashboard. Third is the course, and another is the search course. By the way, now let's see the demo how it works. So this is my login page with the Moodle credentials. I'm logging into it. This is my simple interface. Moodle where I test the connections, sync courses, and again to the dashboard where I will manage all the course. These are the courses which I have developed, and now I'm going to delete one course and see it popped out the course deleted successfully. Now I will add the course. So match 201, course name, random things, description, category, mathematics, and the create course things. See the intro, it's in the third. So the course has been added. Now I'm trying to update it. Intro of the, and update the course. Pop out the intro of the it has been updated successfully. So now I will go to the dashboard again and see the recent courses. There is an intro of the already over there. So if I go to the Moodle, now I will go for the search functions. I will see. I will type OMP to check the OMP is already there. And now I will add, not add, I especially create a new course. Here it is, create course. It says the course created successfully, and that's a login authentication using the JWT tokens. And logging out, this is my page again back. So thank you so much for somehow having a patience to see this presentation. Thank you very much.